If Monday.com is giving you an error when opening a board, or the board is not loading properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to fix the issue fast. These steps are easy to follow, and in many cases, one of them will solve the problem right away. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and productivity guides. Let's get started. First, try refreshing the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload, and a simple refresh can bring the board back instantly. If that does not work, sign out of your account completely, then sign back in again. This can clear out a temporary session issue and reconnect your account properly. Next, if the board is still not opening, clear your browser cache and cookies. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. Then select Cache and Cookies, choose Clear, and restart your browser. This is one of the most effective fixes because old browser data can interfere with Monday.com loading correctly. After that, check your browser extensions. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off anything that may interfere, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. Some extensions can block Monday.com scripts and prevent boards from loading. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily and refresh the page again. VPNs and proxies can sometimes cause connection problems or trigger loading errors in web apps like Monday.com. If the issue still continues, switch to a different network. For example, try another Wi-Fi connection or use mobile hotspot data. Sometimes the problem is related to the current network rather than Monday.com itself. After each step, test the board again to see whether it opens normally. In many cases, the fix happens after clearing cache, disabling extensions, or changing networks. If you made it this far and the board still won't load, repeat the most likely fix first, then try the next one in order. The goal is to isolate whether the issue is caused by your browser, your login session, your extensions, or your internet connection. Once the board opens successfully, you should be able to continue working without any further issues. If this video helped you fix the Monday.com error opening board problem, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.